Few would have predicted the Nordic Hedge Index would deliver the highest returns in a decade and end the year at an all-time high after the first quarter of 2020. The NHX Composite rallied by 2.7% in December to close up 8.4% on the year. All sub-strategies are popping up in green, NHX-CTA advancing by 3.7%, Equities adding 4.1% and multi-strategy funds 2% respectively. Nordic Fixed Income Strategies advanced by 0.5% and fund of funds climbed 1.6%. Among the top performing funds in December were Accendo, RPM Galaxy, Symmetry Invest, Nordic Cross Small Cap Hedge, Adrigo Small and Mid Cap and St. Petri. Let's hear from some of the managers.
December turned out to be the second best month on record for the fund and brought the whole year performance to about 70%. The main contributing factors were SSH with a win for its cryptographic products, Remedy Entertainment, which held its first capital markets day, which was very well received by the markets, and Hexatronic, which not only closed some new deals, but also concluded a total of 5 new acquisitions for the year.
We had a great December with a performance of 12.18% net fees. The year ended around 30% net fees. The main drivers in December was Tagmaster with 2%. The stock was up 25%. OrganoClick delivered 1.7%. The stock was up 20%. Transtema delivered 1% in the portfolio, Ferroamp delivered 1% portfolio, and Fortecure 1%.
Adrigo Small and Mid Cap ended the year with a December performance of 11.5%, implying some 43.5% for the full year. We had a net equity exposure of around 55% during the month, that is slightly higher than normal. On the short side, we made profits on some 30% of the holdings, which we think is decent given that the markets were pretty strong. A couple of stocks worth mentioning. Firstly, Kahoot, the global edtech leader, founded in Trondheim in Norway. That's been a holding of ours for more than 2 years, and during the month the company again upped its forecast for the full year and the stock rose some 40%. Another stock was Calera, vertical indoor farming. Company announced another 3 establishments during the month, and the company is in a phase of very rapid growth right now, and it's fully funded for that.
For the year, the strongest performing sub-strategy in 2020 was NHX Equities, gaining an impressive 15%, followed by the sub-indices for fixed income, multistrats and CTAs, each gaining around 4.5%, while fund of funds added 2.7%. The top performers, though, flew way beyond those benchmarks. St. Petri advancing by 98%, Proxy Renewable Long Short by 83%, and Alka Select over 70% in 2020, followed by Accendo, HCP Focus and Adrigo Small and Mid Cap. The year brought few but exciting new launches. Let's take a look at 2 of them.
We have 8 different strategies, but they have no correlation to each other, and we can do that by investing in different assets, in different markets, employing different time horizons, different types of strategies. Some of them are more technical, some of them are more fundamental. So I think the overall correlation between all these strategies are basically 0.
But also to say that they are all sort of formed from a bottom-up approach from each individual portfolio manager that has used this strategy before and has sort of his expertise.
So basically, investors like to put a label on you. So we would be fixed income relative value in that space. Mm-hmm. But we also do a little bit of macro trading, even though that is a small part of the fund and we haven't done anything of that as of yet. We have a clear geographic focus, so we trade basically the Scandinavian markets, primarily Sweden, but also Norway, Denmark, etc.
Hedge Nordic, your single access point to the Nordic hedge fund industry.